Struggling to get more people to your website? This may be controversial, but most people now prefer watching short videos over reading long articles. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn everything you need to start using Pictory's article-to-video tool to easily convert your old articles into engaging new videos in minutes. Let me show you how it works. Okay, when you open the app, you're going to see 4 tools here. What we want is the second tool called Article to Video. Next, you'll need an article for your video. Today, I'm going to summarize a post from my food blog. I'll just copy this link in the address bar and paste it in this box, then click the Proceed button to continue. Pictory is now reading the article and summarizing the top highlights. It's also importing the article images for you. When it's done, you'll see the article and the AI highlights here on the left side of the screen. You can quickly skim through to review them to add and remove highlights yourself. Just click on a sentence to highlight it or unhighlight it. That adds or removes the scene from your video. You'll also notice that highlights are listed as scenes for your video here on the right side of the screen. Pro tip, as you can see, I prefer to use short scenes so it looks cleaner in the captions later. Once you're satisfied with your summary, click on the next button here in the top right corner. Next, you'll see the templates library. Scroll through the library to find the template that you like. This one looks good. Click on the template to select it, then choose an aspect ratio to proceed. I'm making a standard YouTube video, so I'm going to choose 16:9. And don't worry, you can always change these again later. Pictory is now creating your video storyboard. The AI is analyzing the highlights from your article and is automatically selecting the visuals for each scene. And yes, it's even generating those fancy captions for you. Now, if you look on the far left side of your screen here in the navigation menu, you'll see that we're in the Story View tab. This is where you could edit your scenes and captions to add even more polish to your videos. On the left half of the screen, you'll see your scene list. You can quickly edit scenes by clicking on them and changing the text. On the right half of the screen, you'll see the video preview area. You can also edit your captions by clicking on the text directly in the preview area. Once you click on a caption, the styling menu appears here above the preview video. You'll recognize some familiar options here. Play around with them when you have some time. We'll be covering advanced caption styling in a future video. These look pretty good to me, so I'm just going to leave it on the default settings for now. Now let's edit our visuals. Back in the far left navigation menu under Story, you'll see the Visuals tab. Click on that. Included with every Pictory paid plan is access to over 3 million royalty-free visuals that you can use in your videos. To review the visuals for your scenes, click through the thumbnails here on the bottom right under the preview video. To replace a visual in a scene, click on the scene to select it, and then search the library for keywords that you think would better represent that scene. Once you find a visual you like, click on it, and you'll see that it instantly replaces the visual for your scene here on the right. Ooh, I like that one. And repeat as necessary until you're happy with your visuals. And don't worry, upgrading to any paid plan removes all of the watermarks on your final videos. Next, we'll add some audio. Back again in the far left navigation menu, you'll see the Audio tab. Click on that. There's over 15,000 tracks available for you here. Just search for something that fits the vibe of your video. You can preview each track by clicking this play button, and when you find one that you like, you can click this apply button to use it. Next, you can add an AI voiceover to narrate your video for you here in the voiceover tab. You have the flexibility to choose between male and female AI voices. It's just a matter of preference. Try them out to see which one you like the best. Now, I prefer to use my own voiceover, and you can upload your own voiceover here in the My Uploads tab. The last thing I want to mention real quick is branding. You can find that back in the far left navigation menu under the Branding tab. This is where you can add your own custom intros, outros, and logos. But more on that in a future video. Once you're done with your video, it's automatically saved in your My Projects folder. You can preview it, or you can download it. Depending on the size of your video, this can take a minute, so I just let it do its own thing. You can click this Run in Background button, and Pictory will send you a notification as soon as the video is done. Congratulations, you just turned your article into a video. Remember, your first video doesn't have to be perfect. Just do your best to make a quick video today, and then come share it inside our official Pictory Facebook group. You'll get friendly feedback and helpful tips from our team and other creators just like you.